Colors can have profound psychological and physiological effects, and understanding these effects can help create environments that support health and healing. Let's explore how different colors can influence patient outcomes and therapeutic practices. To start, let me ask you, have you ever noticed how the colors in a hospital or clinic make you feel? Perhaps you felt calmer in a waiting room with soft, muted colors, or more energized in a space with bright, cheerful hues. These experiences are not coincidental. They are the result of deliberate choices based on the principles of color psychology. Let's begin with the color blue, which is widely used in healthcare settings. Blue is known for its calming and soothing effects. It can lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and create a sense of tranquility. This is why you'll often find blue in patient rooms, waiting areas, and other parts of hospitals where a calm environment is essential. Blue can help patients feel more at ease and reduce anxiety, which is crucial for promoting recovery. Green is another color that's commonly used in healthcare environments. It represents nature, growth, and renewal. Green has a relaxing effect and can help reduce stress and create a sense of balance. It's often used in spaces where patients need to feel comfortable and at peace, such as recovery rooms and therapy centers. The presence of green, whether through wall colors, plants, or decor, can create a healing atmosphere that supports overall well-being. Yellow, with its bright and cheerful nature, can stimulate optimism and energy. In healthcare settings, yellow is used to create a warm and welcoming environment. It can lift spirits and promote a positive mood, which is particularly beneficial in areas like children's wards or outpatient clinics. However, it's important to use yellow in moderation, as too much can lead to overstimulation and anxiety. Pink is often associated with compassion, care, and nurturing. Soft pink hues can create a comforting and soothing environment, making it ideal for spaces where emotional healing is a focus, such as counseling rooms or maternity wards. Pink's gentle and calming effect can help patients feel safe and supported. White is another color you'll frequently see in healthcare settings. It represents cleanliness, purity, and sterility. White can create a sense of space and simplicity, making it a popular choice for medical facilities. However, while white can make a space feel clean and organized, it's important to balance it with other colors to avoid creating an environment that feels too clinical or cold. In addition to these colors, the healthcare industry also uses color therapy or chromotherapy as a complementary treatment for various conditions. Color therapy involves using colored light to balance the body's energy centers, known as chakras. For example, red light might be used to stimulate energy and circulation, while blue light can be used to calm and soothe. While the scientific evidence supporting color therapy is still evolving, many practitioners believe in its potential benefits for enhancing well-being. Let's not forget about the importance of personal preferences and individual differences. While certain colors might generally promote relaxation or energy, individual responses to color can vary. What's calming for one person might not have the same effect on another. This is why it's essential for healthcare providers to consider patients' personal preferences and cultural backgrounds when designing healing environments. As we wrap up, think about your own experiences in healthcare settings. How did the colors in those environments make you feel? Have you noticed a difference in your mood or comfort level based on the colors around you? Understanding these effects can help you create spaces that support healing and well-being in your own life. In our next lesson, we'll explore how to create harmonious color schemes and combinations for different purposes, from personal projects to professional designs. Until then, observe the colors in the healthcare environments you visit and consider how they impact your mood and well-being. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.